Welcome to the fourth part of episode 3 from Hampi. Do check out the other 3 parts if you haven't already, as I'm sure you guys will love them. तो आज के एपिसोड में हम पहले देखेंगे कृष्णा टेम्पल। तो अभी है हम यहाँ पे जो है कृष्णा टेम्पल। ये टेम्पल एक एग्जाम्पल है विजयनगरा स्टाइल टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर का इन इट्स मोस्ट एडवांस्ड फॉर्म than any other temples at Hampi. The Krishna Temple at Hampi was built by Krishna Devaraya to celebrate the success of his Odisha campaign. It is believed that he brought back with him an idol of Bal Krishna from there, for which the temple had been built. तो ये है यहाँ पे कृष्णा टेम्पल और उसके ऑपोजिट है यहाँ पे हम्पी बाज़ार। यस, दिस यूज्ड टू बी अ मार्केट प्लेस। ये तो अभी हम कृष्णा टेम्पल उधर था तो उधर से हम यहाँ पे आए हैं। दिस इज़ नरसिम्हा स्टैचू एंड दैट ओवर देयर इज़ बदाविलिंग। The idol of Lord Laxmi Narsimha represents the fourth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, and his body is half human and half lion. He is seated on the coils of the sacred guardian snake with its 7 hood acting as a protective canopy over his head. The Badavilinga temple in Hampi has the largest monolithic Shiv ling in Hampi. The Shiv ling has a 3-eye mark on it in a line carving. The 3-eye mark depicts the third eye of Lord Shiva. So next we are at Ranga Temple, Elephant Stable and Lotus Mahal. So yeah, this is the entrance. We have parked the car somewhere over there. Also known as the Zenon enclosure, a royal woman once used to live in this historic, architecturally notable compound walls on all sides and watchtowers keeping guard against any trespassers. इस huge area में आपको पहले देखने को मिलेगा the basement of Queen's Palace. Next आपको देखने को मिलेगा right में Lotus Mahal. The dome gives an illusion of an open lotus bud. The curves of the palace are inspired by the Islamic architecture. Lotus Mahal is a virtual air-conditioned residence built for one of the 2 wives of Vijayanagara ruler Krishna Devaraya. This is the entrance to Elephant Stable. The Elephant Stable in Hampi is one of the finest examples of Indo-Islamic style of architecture. The Elephant Stable is a long building with a rectangular shape. The building has a row of 11 huge dome chambers. Each chamber is large enough to accommodate 2 elephants at a time. In the parking area of Zenon enclosure, there is a display of some of the idols from this area. You can check them out as well. So that was Elephant Stable, Queen's Palace and Lotus Mahal. And now we are going to our last destination for today, which is Vijay Temple. And udhar wo chariot bhi hai, and the famous stone chariot, and also musical pillars. Underground Shiva Temple. This temple is on the way while heading back from the Zenon enclosure. The temple has remained buried for over 400 years before it was discovered in the year 1980. It is believed that Vijayanagara ruler Krishna Devaraya had donated extensively to this temple. It has been believed that this is one of the oldest temples in Hampi. As the name suggests, this temple is constructed below the ground level. Hence, it is famously known as the underground Shiv Temple. It is not just an underground temple, but it lies underwater too. Yes, the inner portions of the shrine is always filled with water. According to one theory, it is believed that the water is from the Tungabhadra river that flows inside through a canal. So that brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we will check out the famous stone chariot of Hampi and the Vijay Temple. Also check out the musical pillars over there and a few more things. So be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications and do share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and peace.